Make this hit with all the ice on in the booth. At the gate outside when they pull up.
Travis Scott. What do you guys think about the Travis Scott, what is it, peanut butter cereal? Peanut butter cup cereal? I've been seeing it all over the place, and I heard it like resells for like 50 to 80 bucks or something like that. But they sell it at Walmart for like something like $10 or whatever. But I want to get it. I want to get me some. I need to go over to the border and get me some. I don't know. What do you guys think about it? Leave the comments down below. Is it good? Is it worth the hype? I mean, I just want it for the box because it's Travis, you know? But what is going on, everybody? How are y'all doing today? It is so nice and sunny. It was so gloomy earlier. But welcome back to another vlog. It is still summertime, and I'm wearing a sweater and I'm wearing pants, but let me explain. I've been prepping for a photo shoot for the past, let me say, like a month and a half. I did a photo shoot about 2 weeks ago. Very successful. Felt really good doing that photo shoot. This one's a little bit different. I'm going to be going to a gym. If you guys aren't already, make sure you follow me on Instagram at cj.abate. 2 weeks ago, I did a modeling photo shoot. I loved it. I love doing photo shoots, modeling, fitness modeling, just overall, just photo shoots in general. I love doing. My first photo shoot last October. It's almost been an entire year since I did my last photo shoot. So tonight, I have another photo shoot at a gym. This has probably been the most draining photo shoot of my life. Like, honestly, I've prepped for boxing fights and all that stuff, and it gets draining. It's probably about the same feeling, to be honest. I weighed myself this morning. I'm like 164 pounds with water in me. So right now I'm currently at the gym, the YMCA. They have a sauna in there that I'm going to be using. I use their sauna almost, not every day, but like at least a couple times a week after a workout. I like using the sauna just to, you know, get everything out, replenish. It feels really good after. It helps my muscles and overall blood flow, and it just puts me all in a better mood. You know, getting the body that you want, getting the physique that you want, the vascularity, the right look. You know, you just want to be as toned as you possibly can, as ripped as you possibly can. I'm not like those stage guys. I go on there and they look absolutely shredded to the bone. I'm shredded. I'm probably about, if I had to guess, like 7% body fat, but overall I'm looking pretty good, and I'm just about to go sweat every single bit of water out of my body right now. I just can't fucking wait, man. Like, I'm so excited to just kill this photo shoot. And then after, I bought 3 dozen Krispy Kreme donuts, man. After the photo shoot, I am about to crush every last, probably not all 3 dozen tonight, but every single donut I'm about to crush. Oh man, I can't wait. I'm gonna show you guys right now the donuts. So yeah, there you go, guys. Krispy Kreme, bros. You already know I had to get the hat too, right? I had to get the hat so I can wear it during the photo shoot, probably get a couple of pictures. I'm not gonna open the box, honestly, because if I do, I'll be too tempted to eat anything. I haven't eaten nothing today yet. I'm still dry, still, you know, in a fasted state. I have a good feeling about this photo shoot. I've worked really hard. And when you work really hard at something, you know, you have that distinct feeling inside of your stomach that you just know you're going to do good at it. And I love this stuff, man. Like, I love being able to do the stuff that I love to do in life. One of the major goals is to be in a magazine, so that's what I'm trying to push for. 2020, I'm coming for you, man. I know I'm going to be in a magazine in 2020. I'm gonna make my body just right, man. But anyways, without further ado, let's get into that sauna. Okay, so just made it into the sauna. I'm gonna sit right beside these rocks right here. I forgot a water bottle. I usually like to bring a water bottle because the thermostat right here, the sauna doesn't really go to, well, it's hot. It's like 180 degrees Fahrenheit, but if you bring a water bottle, it goes up to like, you can get it to like almost 220. So, oh, I'm gonna sit in here for about 30 minutes, sweat literally every single drop out of my body. And good thing there's nobody in here. Hopefully nobody comes in here, because at this point I'm just pissed off about everything. If you guys cut for photo shoots or boxing or just cut for anything, you guys know the feeling. Not being able to eat what you want, and it's determination and dedication. If you guys are new here, I need you guys right now to go down below, smash that subscribe button, make sure to leave a big thumbs up for your boy. It's gonna be a good vlog, man. You guys are gonna see everything. I'm gonna film it all for y'all, so this is gonna be good. Alrighty guys, so it's been about 10 minutes since I've been in here. Whew, I'm dying, bro. Like, I haven't had water for probably almost 20 hours. I cut liquids out all last night. After my last meal, I stopped drinking liquids, so it's been about 20 hours since I even drank anything, and I'm just literally just sweating everything. I don't know if y'all can see in the face or anything like that, but I'm just, you can see a little bit glistening. I'm wet, man. Like, I'm wet, trust me. So it's been about 30 minutes. I think it's time to get up, bro. Oh my God, look at me. I feel like I'm gonna pass out. Like, literally feel like I'm gonna freaking pass out. It's so hot in here. especially with wearing a sweater and pants and all that. 30 minutes. I usually don't even go past 15, but that's after a workout. That's okay. I love it, man. All the hard work pays off. Let's go. Huh? You know how hard it is to shake the bag? Try to get that baby oil in.
Oh, turn around.
Oh, what?
No, not turn it around. Turn the bottle around.
Oh.
Right there.
You know?
Hold on, that could be your thumb.
Oh no, smooth. There we go. There we go. Now we get it nice and glistening. Gotta make sure that the muscles are filled. I might have to get another donut in me.
Are you feeling weak?
Not feeling like weak, but I definitely probably could have another donut in me. Makes me warm. This stuff makes me like feel warm. It's making me feel like I got like a bunch of people's hands all over.
Is that dish soap?
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
How'd you know that?
Like Dawn?
Huh?
Like those ducks with the
How'd you know
Dawn?
it was dish soap?
Because I've done it too. I usually do it all the time.
Oh yeah, the dish soap right here?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, cool.
It's the white grape flavor.
That's good. God. Too many transitions tonight. Too many transitions. But guys, that concludes the photo shoot. Wow. That was pretty good. I didn't get a lot of like video of like the photos being taken or a lot of that, because it's really hard when it's only two people. Like I had to film the stuff and Mike had to film the stuff and Mike also had to take the pictures, and then my hands were really greasy from the baby oil, and then we're trying to get like so many different spots that I was trying to get the best content I could for y'all. But I did get a lot of b-roll of like the things that I was doing, and also like anticipating my workouts as well into the photos, which is really cool. But overall, I did really find the photos turned out really, really good. If you guys want to see those photos, make sure to follow me on Instagram at cj.abate. I'm going to leave the link down below so y'all can check it all out, man. I'm telling you, they turned out amazing, and I worked really hard for it. If you guys don't already know, like, if you guys are into bodybuilding or physique or modeling or anything like that, anything to do with, like, really hardcore dieting, y'all know that it really drains you. Like overall, I felt so drained the past month. Well, not really the past month. I would have to say like the last like week and a half. It started to really get to me mentally, because I train daily. Like I train sometimes 7 days a week, mostly 6, and I'll take 1 day off. But lately it's been 7 days a week. So yeah, I've been training like literally non-stop for like the past month and a half, just grinding and grinding and grinding. I don't know, I'm just trying to really reach my goals, guys, and just overall, I feel really happy, and I'm feeling really accomplished to where I've been getting, and that's the whole part of chasing your dreams, man, and really, really pushing past your limits and thinking over exactly what you want to do with those goals and dreams, because once you know a destination, there is literally no limit. You can reach that goal. You can reach that destination as long as you have an end goal and you see the vision and you see where you want to go. If you can see that, there's nothing's going to stop you. Nobody's going to tell you what to do. You're not going to listen to anybody. You're going to listen to yourself. You're going to tell yourself what you're going to do, and you're not going to stop until you get there. And that's exactly what you're going to do and what you have to do. Don't listen to other people. Listen to yourself. Do what you love to do. Follow your dreams. Follow your passion, and just stay a clear vision, man. Like, you guys are all special. You guys are all talented. You guys all have a gift. You know, God is the greatest. God will literally lead you to the end of the world. He'll lead you to the universe. God will literally lead you to success, man, as long as you believe and just keep working hard. But that is going to conclude the day. Oh, yeah, by the way, so I did end up having, like, an entire box of Krispy Kreme donuts. I didn't film it. And I also went to McDonald's with Josh, which is one of my best friends. We went to McDonald's. I ended up getting a bunch of food. I feel, actually, here, look at the aftermath. Oh, do you guys see? Wow. That looks even worse on camera. Holy. But overall, like, I feel like I deserved it. I really... A lot of cutting for the past month. I felt like I was like prepping for a fight or something. But I'm going to be doing a lot of these photo shoots. Like, I'm feeling really confident about myself. I'm feeling really happy. And this is just the beginning, man. Like, I'm only just starting. And I can't wait to see where this journey comes. So I hope you guys... hope you guys did enjoy this little mini photo shoot, workout, video kind of, you know, thing. I don't even... Yeah. I hope you guys did enjoy the video. If you did, make sure to go down below, smash that subscribe button, make sure to leave a thumbs up for your boy, because honestly, more content is going to be coming y'all's way. So excited, man. I love making these videos. This makes me so happy. You guys make me happy. Just leave a comment down below. Let me know what y'all want to see next. And I appreciate y'all watching. Have a fantastic night, because it's nighttime outside tonight. Tonight, it's nighttime every night, but it's nighttime right now. It's like 1 in the morning. Peace out, family. Stay fit, stay blessed as always, and have a great night. Hey.